You may choose any LOL doll and then see they don't have any accessories. You go to the vending machine and then you play the games. Earn accessories, clothes, all of that, and then you may keep the LOL doll and all the accessories and clothes that you earn. While you girls choose your LOLs, I'm going to go stand next to the vending machine to see what there is. Let's have a look. I like this Barbie doll with the blonde hair. What doll should I choose? Ew, I love this one with the gold hair.